Want to talk with you real quickly about the overall crypto market and what is coming. If you are new to me, my name is Austin. I cover crypto every single day. I cover specific coins, tokens, but I also cover the overall kind of market and what's transpiring to keep you in the know. Because that's my goal. My objective is real simple, is to keep you updated so that you can navigate crypto a little bit better, be a little bit more informed, make more money, etc. So if you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button and drop a like. I would appreciate it on the video. Okay, so here's what's coming for crypto right this second. Okay, so right this minute, as of recording this video, crypto's at 974 billion. We've got a little bit of a slide here happening with Bitcoin and Ethereum, which is driving down the overall market. I believe that this is continuation of kind of the overall bearish sentiment and bearish theme that we're seeing in all of crypto. But here's some things that you need to be aware of. Yesterday, we got the jobs report for the August jobs report, and it was a little bit better than we were expecting. Yes, this does have bearing on crypto because it has bearing on the overall stock market. And if you look at where the stock market ended up on Friday, it ended up down 337. The Dow and the Nasdaq ended up down 154 for a couple of reasons. It ended up being down. It pumped earlier in the day when the jobs report came in better than expected. Crypto went up earlier in the day because that was a little bit of a shining kind of bright news, if you will. Beyond that, we started to get bad information from bad things happening after that. Okay, we started getting the Russia pipeline retaliation. So Russia came out and said, hey, they're no longer going to be starting into this winter. They're no longer going to be sending natural gas to Germany, things like this. So we still have inherently this kind of overriding, obviously, the Russia-Ukraine war and the continued fallout from that. Beyond that, okay, we've got the continuation of inflation being the backdrop for everything, right? And so in that scenario, remember that on September 20th and 21st, the Federal Reserve is going to meet. The Fed's going to meet, and this is to address, obviously, are they going to raise interest rates to continue to try to slow down inflation? The answer is yes, they are going to raise interest rate. The question is how much. I think it's built into the market. The market's expecting a 75 basis point raise. That's what the last two have been. But if they raise it, say 100 basis points, that's going to send everything dramatically down. Stocks, crypto, all that kind of stuff. So we do have some, as far as what's coming, we have some outside, continue exposure, if you will, which we will continue to have. I'm going to give you a little stat. The Federal Reserve has come out and said that they want to reduce the inflation from 8.5%, which is what it's at now, down to 2%. That is a massive swing as far as what they want to do. The only weapon they have really to use in their arsenal is raising interest rate, which there will be fallout from that. The housing market will be impacted. There's a lot of different variables at play here. Know that there is inherent a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt in the overall market. Look, the fear and greed index, which measures fear and says greed, but I really think of it as confidence, is back down into the extreme fear range. This is where we're at. This is where we're going to be for a while. So right here, right now, I've talked about this in a lot of videos. I'm not trying to be the bearer of doom and gloom here, but I'm just trying to give you a true perspective of what is coming and the outside factors, the macro factors, if you will, that are here to impact crypto for the foreseeable future. As far as definitely the remainder of 22, maybe even to the first quarter of 23, depending upon how fast this kind of the economy and everything continues to roll along as we get more and more insight into inflation, the measures to try to curtail it. Obviously, the fear of recession. Technically, we're in a recession because we've had 2 quarters of GDP decline, all those kind of things. Yeah. But at the end of the day, here's what I would say. The silver lining is this. This is when millionaires are made. You buy low and you sell high. You buy in the bad times. And this is not investing advice. I'm not telling you to go buy. I'm simply telling you that this is how the smart money usually does it. Okay. Thanks for your support. I'll see you. Have a good one. Take care.